Welcome back to the channel 38 gang. It's your boy Slushy Student, man. I know y'all seen that title and that thumbnail, man. So today's video is about to be a banger for y'all, man. If y'all ain't already smashed that like button, smash the like button, subscribe, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the thumbnail, by the way, too. I mean, yeah, here go the 2017 Dodge Challenger Scatpack RT. More like a SRT, because if y'all didn't see that last video, I got this boy tasered. And that video will be in the playlist on the right. But yeah, man, I don't even know where to start, but I got big news. Let me give y'all a cold start, and we're gonna dive into some of that, man. Let's go.
Just clips in there, watch your lips in there. Before I make this 40 disappear, make it disappear. Yeah.
This that kill switch. Only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Have my shooter band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like utility work.
All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed the cold start, 38 gang. But here's the big reveal of the calipers and rims. So yeah, man, I'm gonna talk about it real quick with y'all, show y'all. But yeah, I got satin black. They was like gray, like a metallic gray before, and then the calipers, they were like a black, but they definitely was like rusting away though. So now they a gloss red, and it just makes the car look a little bit more, you know, sporty, look a little bit more sporty. But no, though, I got it done by letting me dip that car wraps. He dipped my, if y'all don't know what dipping, he says dip, and they got me saying that, but it's basically a spray-on wrap, but it's like a liquid wrap, you would call it. But he done my matte black Charger. If y'all didn't see that, none of those videos, I'll leave like a video in the description and like some pictures in this video or something so y'all can actually see that. So here's some footage from the shop that dipped that car wraps. He did the black wrap on my Charger. I'm about to pop that in right now, so it'll probably be like a minute or two. But man, y'all gotta let me know what y'all think. The car is actually a little bit dirty. It's not, I mean, I don't know if I actually can see that on camera, but I did not wash this car. I actually got like bird poop on the window. Like, I did not wash it, it's dirty. Like, I know that's like terrible, but I'm gonna get pictures and clean it up, and you know, because it rained yesterday and all of that, so this Ohio weather is terrible. But that's one thing I could definitely say about owning the Challenger or like a car like this, like a Mopar for real. They definitely get dirty fast. But no, though, I got some more stuff I want to talk about before I ain't doing no like right now, I'm not doing like no like B-rolls, like no pulls or no nothing. I'm just strictly revealing this to y'all. It's not even gonna be like a long video, but I definitely want to talk about some stuff that I'm bringing in the next video. I got some parts and stuff I'm actually gonna show y'all, and then I'm gonna give y'all an install video. That'll be the next video after this one drops. So, and like, cause it is Memorial Day weekend and everything, so trying to drop this video by Sunday, so hopefully y'all get this. But yeah, leave some comments, let me know what y'all think on that. But let's get into these parts I got. I gotta go grab them real quick. All right, 38 gang. These boxes is, I don't even know if I should like open them. But I got these, let's just say this. I got a front tower strut brace and a rear tower strut brace from BMR Suspensions. I'll leave the link in that in the description. And like I said, I want to show y'all, but like these boxes, like how I'm gonna get them back in this box. I don't know. Maybe I'll just open this one. But yeah, like I'll leave the links for their website and stuff if y'all want to get y'all's. But y'all ain't gonna see what it is until it's actually on the card. Like so, like I guess I don't know if I'll leave the link. Let's see. Oh, this is the. See, this why I ain't want to open it up. That's why I was kind of like, nah, I'm good. This is the front tower brace, strut tile brace. I could tell because it's bigger than the other one, and it's heavier. This shit heavy. I would say this weighs like 30 pounds, maybe 40 pounds. All right, bam. Stay tuned for that video. This will look like, I'm not unraveling this thing all the way. Stay tuned for the install video though. Yes, sir. And I just wanted to say that though, but yeah, man, y'all always hear me say a lot of stuff over and over, like, comment, share, subscribe, or whatever, stay tuned. But people be watching and really don't support, man. Like I said, if I can do it, y'all can do it. You know. But stay tuned for the next video though. Here go the car again, the rims and the calipers. And yeah. I think somebody pulling up about to hate on me. Look at this man. Why he even in here? Like, why he even here, guys? He about to be like, you ain't no good. Get out the parking lot. But no, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the 38 gang. And we at 5K, 120 or something like that. But it's growing. Yeah, I appreciate all the support. Like I said before, I got all this trash now. So stay tuned for the next video, y'all. Peace.